My name's Sue Grant from Berthon, and here we are with Bill and me, Oyster 82, at the Palmer Boat Show. So on the camera is Natalie, and she's going to take all this. So we're going to start outside. Twin wheel, large cockpit, great rig. She's got fully back and mainsail, and she's in cutter. She's from 2009. She's hull number 12. She's in her third ownership. Teak deck is original, but it's looking very good. And let's just walk on. In this ownership in 22-23, a lot of work was done, including covers. The rig was down, all new rod. The rig was painted orange, owner's wish, and she also had new front sails. The mainsail is a bit older. It's got a stack pack arrangement, and because of the double siders, when it drops really smoothly, and you just need to tidy up the back end. So for short-handed cruising, it's actually quite easy to cope with. New rib during 22-23 refit, and here she's got nice stainless steel struts beneath it. It comes off on the halyard, very easy to deploy, 2 people. Reckman furling at the front, big windlass, stainless steel anchor, all very robust. This owner at the moment runs the boat with a single captain and with 2 further crew if he's sailing with family in the summer. So we'll just go back around and have a look in the cockpit and go down below. Big lazarette aft. Lovely gin and tonic seats. Wheels are really funky. The boat is controlled from here. You've got engine, you've got thrusters, so this is the position that you're using. And then here we've got lovely teak tables, high gloss varnish, refrigerated on that side, storage on this side, and really good access into the main saloon. Now here we are. She's got a cherry interior, lovely light wood floors, and the thing that is really lovely about the Oyster 82 is that you sit down and you see out, and the whole of this area is completely open, so you have upper saloon, lower saloon and galley. She's got a new ice maker here, chart table here, new onboard computer with a new navigation system, new tank management system, and then down here this is an adjustable and openable table. You've got lots and lots of storage, and a lot of the equipment for use in the table above is stored behind Natalie and the camera. Lots of orange, dishwasher, washing machine. What's really handy is there's a dryer up forward, so you're not trying to do both functions. These owners were not fond of gas, so she's got a Mealy induction hob, which is also gimbaled. Lots and lots of refrigeration. And then when the boat was originally built, she was built to MCA coding, so these are both watertight doors. Here is the captain's cabin, very spacious, and it also has its own heads, an own separated shower, all in very good condition. All of the TVs and all of the Sonos equipment, AV, is all new 23. This is another crew cabin. This comes out to make a upper berth, and then we've got another heads compartment, shower, storage area, dryer, access onto the deck if for whatever reason the crew don't want to go through the main accommodation. If you're sailing this yacht as a family yacht, the skipper's cabin, the double cabin to starboard, can certainly double as a 4th guest cabin. Okay, so here we are. See, Natalie's keeping up really well, so we're just going to dash batteries under this floor. They are new 2025, and then we'll go back to the stern of the yacht and to the owner's stateroom. As we come through, we go through watertight bulkhead, and this is an absolutely amazing owner's cabin. She's air conditioned throughout, of course. You've got a lovely sofa there, loads and loads of storage for long-term cruising, very large owner's ensuite with a circular shower, which is really cool. Again, new flat screen. These two panels here are detachable, and they're escape hatches to comply with MCA. And here is one of the 2 aft guest cabins. It has a pipe cot, so if you're sailing with little people, this makes for a really good upper and lower. Again, with its own heads and shower to the left. And then, just to show you the other one, it's mirror image, another big double, another pipe cot, another large heads compartment. Both of these cabins have TV. And then here, this is very cool, is the engine room. This has had a lot of work. She's got 2 generators. She's got a small water maker over here, larger water maker over here, which has got new membranes, high pressure and low pressure pump, inverter, chargers. The PTO for the hydraulic bow thruster is off this generator, so that's showing a couple of 100 more hours. Cummins, this has been taken to bits 2022-23 and is running really, really well. The boat is very quiet, and so if you're running air conditioning overnight, you're running on one of the generators, door shut, don't hear it. So this is a really good access point engine room for an 82-footer. Okay. So, off we go. And then back up into this lovely deck saloon where you can see almost a third of the yacht. So this is Bill and me, and she's in great shape, refitted 2023, looking for a new owner, great for blue water or for Mediterranean or Caribbean cruising.